Hi, so I haven't gotten a video up in a little while, and I wanted to give you just kind of a quickie update on everything I'm up to, and I thought maybe people might be interested in a tour of my studio. What we're looking at is, to start with, my air compressor, which, believe it or not, comes in handy a lot for blowing dust around and filling tires. Behind that is a big pile of recyclables because they're worth a dime each here. Various bric-a-brac because it is a garage. Shop vacs, you will always need a shop vac. Wear shelves and general stuff shelves, various buckets and states of recycling and cleaning. Yes, there will be videos about how to get the smell out of pickle buckets as soon as the weather turns, so I can stand to be outside longer than it takes to smoke a cigarette. And the closed shelves are a bunch of slip molds that I'm trying to get rid of. I like to hang my tools. There's a collection of hand tools because I'm in the middle of a dozen projects, so that just hangs open. Studio fridge. Always have a studio fridge. Oh, yes, old green dress. I sit on that when I'm sitting on the cold concrete floor. More buckets. Always get buckets. Here is my work table. We are going to do an entire video on this. This is a project in progress. I do everything on that table. That's why everything is on that table. More movable because I got two from Craigslist. The next video. Oh, yes, my next full video is going to be a video on the complete teardown. You're going to get demonstrations of rust removal, teardown, cleanup, painting, and rebuilding of this RK2 to make it shiny, pretty, and new. Okay. My wheel throwing section, my little Shimpo Aspire, and it's sitting on my cheap Chinese wheel project. You're still gonna get to see that thing run this Christmas. That's my scrap bucket number 2. Honestly, behind the table lives cardboard. Save cardboard. It comes in amazingly handy for mocking things up, getting things ready, something to sit on when you're working on the car in the wet driveway, all of these things. More hanging tools. Gorilla tape is superior to duct tape. We're going to talk about all of these tools and their uses, and where they come from at some point. Milk house here, always useful. More wear. Lots of music, random stuff. Collection of cones. And then, to get out to my kiln, we need to go outside, walk through my yard. There's a peek at the soon-to-be reduction kiln that you're going to learn all about how to do. Yeah, I live in kind of a nice quiet town, so all of this is possible. Walk around. Yes, that tent is okay because it is far enough above that kiln that the heat never touches it. There is my little 181. This is what you get to see every time you watch an opening video. And, well, that's kind of it. Beyond that, that's just kind of a little quick update and how my studio tour. I'm going to be shooting the disassembly of the wheel this afternoon, getting it edited. That should be up in the next couple of days, and then there'll be assembly, cleanup, and painting. There's going to be a review of the Hercules drill shot, probably tonight, just one take. But I just wanted to get you guys something posted so people could see it.